I'm just leaving the pavilion in Georgetown, Kentucky, and so thank you for riding along with Sharon, and we'll see what we can capture today. Hope it doesn't bounce too much. I tried to find the super steady button, but I'm not good at finding that kind of thing. You know, my sons are. Maybe they'll help me at some point when I have time to have them take a little look at it. Give my signal just enough to let people know. I don't like to do that on my videos because of the noise it makes. But we're turning on Champion Way in Georgetown, Kentucky. It's a very gray, overcast day, so I don't know how good this video will be. I hope it does good. But you know, I mean, I love these kinds of days myself. You know me, I've already told you I love rain. And I like gray skies. I like blue skies too. I like clouds, like all that. Here we go. Georgetown is actually a very beautiful city, I think. I think it's very beautiful. So I guess we sit here and wait just a little bit. Or a lot. Traffic's kind of heavy. Switch lanes when this one gets past me. Might not be wise though. I see a truck up there that's going to be, I guess he's hauling stuff. They're working on a shopping center over here, right down the road here a little bit. Excuse me. They have a new gas station that's going in that's called a Wawa. They're getting one in Frankfurt too. I don't know how long it's going to be before they get that one, but it'll be a little bit. But yeah, they're doing that. They're doing a lot here right now. And in Frankfurt too, building a big shopping center. Going to have a Target in it, a Wawa station, several restaurants. Going to be nice, you know, for shoppers. But we are heading towards 62 West. That's where we're going. I guess we're just getting caught in the cross traffic. So I think, I guess we'll be good. Let's see the color of the trees over there at that station. Isn't that nice? And then down through there, you know, you have your other places of business and so forth. I hope by the time we get to that second set of lights that are green right now, I hope they'll be green when we get there. But I don't know. I don't know. see. Okay, it's gonna be red for us. All right. You know, one of those days. One of those days. In the meantime, you can look at the colors of the leaves on the trees in Kentucky here, this part of Kentucky. And this is Georgetown and Scott County. Look at those green hubcaps on the wheel covers, I think they call them now. Isn't that beautiful? Excuse me. I like it. There we go, green light. That means go, right? For us, we can go. Super. See, the shopping center over there is going to be Elkhorn Crossing. They have different things here that's Elkhorn stuff, and so. Not sure when the Wawa will open, but I saw recently they had a sign over there advertising they're now hiring, so I guess it'll be open soon. And they've been advertising for a manager, saw that too. So still got workers over there and everything, so it'll be a little bit, but probably not too long. This stretch of road too, because they recently paved it, and it, you know, it rides pretty smooth. I'm bouncing a little bit, I think. I hope it's not that bad when I get it put on YouTube for you. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I hope you do. I hope you like my videos. I'm not professional. I'm not sure I ever will be. I'm just a, you know, just somebody puts videos on YouTube. And if you've gotten this far, I thank you for watching. Love having you with me. I could be giving you a little too much dash, I don't know. There, we're green. How about that? We're off again. Something over there. I'm not sure, excuse me. But they have a Biggs Coffee over there. They have Southland Christian Church. It's a big church over there. And they're building some other things. I don't know what all they, I think they've got a school or two over there too. And some beautiful homes and so forth. Georgetown has really grown in the last few years. Growing some too. Look, isn't that lovely? Look at that. something like, I call it that because I think road one, probably north to south maybe, is, I'm not sure if it's north, so I don't know what it is. I get all mixed up on these things. I'm not the greatest. But I'm on 460 heading toward 62. I think I'm telling you right. I want to know till I get down there. Oh, here we go. Green is starting to roll, baby, roll. Here we go. There were nice Aldi's up here on the hill. It's pretty good. It's big. We have one in Frankfurt too, across town, and I like it. It's smaller than this one, but there's things I like about it more than I do about this big one here. Although I will say I really like this big one, but there's things about the other one I like. This big one here, they have some self-checkouts now. I don't think they do in Frankfurt. I don't know. I think we're hitting every red light, right? This won't blur too much either, and I hope that it's the color's good. Like I said, gray sky out there. There's some glare on the windshield, I think, too, even on a gray day like this. Can't believe it would have glare, but it does, you know. So there's yet another light to go through, and you and I are going to turn 62 here. So yeah, I'm on 460 going west and turning 62 going west. Don't know how that exactly works that way, but it does. And so thank you for riding along with Sharon. Getting on 62 is going to be another video.